to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia came out for the landlord, Erica. She is stating some things about Erica, saying that allegedly Erica is living in, a bigger house and her mom is living in something that she should take her mom from. However, she's not taking her mom from that because she said she doesn't like her mom. And so Marcia is, addressing the landlord and speaking, basically about her mom, saying that, when people do not love their mom, then that's a problem. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video and hear what Marcia has to say about the landlord Erica. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday to you all. And I wish you prosperity, long life, peace beyond this world would ever know, and all that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day today.
How are you guys doing? Yes, to the haters, me still see you people on my page writing up and writing and viewing. Do you know that my page is monetized? Do you know that I'm getting paid? Even if it's $100, I'm getting it. So, who cares what you people would like to say? You people ain't nothing. I don't care if you don't like me, as long as I love myself. Una don't mean nothing to me. Una could I write until 2045. I don't care. The more you talk about me, the more I become more important. I'm so blessed. I'm so stress-free. I'm happy. Them no happy like me. Oh, I look so pretty. Yes, my dear. Yeah, people, how are you doing? You know, when you look on social media, especially by YouTube, you can see the reason why these people act like that. I have a demon on social media over YouTube called Lan Dog. Yes, my dear, old-time prostitute. And you can see the depression and the madness in the woman's face. Oh no, I know why the woman is so obsessed with me. She's so obsessed because guess what? The woman abandoned her mother. Can you imagine? She have a 3-bedroom house, a 4-bedroom house, or a 3-bedroom house in Jamaica. And her mother is living in a whole rugged zinc house with 2 pieces of thick, catch it up. And the woman said she don't love her mother and she don't care what nobody say. So what do you people think about that? Her mother is suffering and the woman is on social media begging every day, making money from YouTube and Facebook, getting money to feed the homeless, and her mother needs money to take care of her. So now I see the reason why this woman is so obsessed with me. The woman is evil and don't have no love. Yes, my dear. Now I can see. When you have somebody who treats their mother like that, you should know they are demons. Eh? How can you have a mother and have a big empty house in Jamaica with no love, no good furniture, 2, 3 mongrel dog, begging on social media every day, scamming people out of money, feeding the homeless with people money, and you can't care little bickle go give to your mama for name. But yet the woman come every day talking about me. Eh? Okay, can you imagine? Oh, I see the reason why she's so upset with me. She's so obsessed with me because I'm so pretty, honey. I'm full of love and compassion. And that is what these people are lacking out here. Love and compassion. And guess what? Me have one little sweet piece of dicky dicky there. Yes, my dear. And them only get over the dicky dicky girl and going bad once every 3-4 years when people husband come visit them and migrate back to yard. Yes, my dear. You see these people? They grudge me for my nice pretty teeth. Because the only time them can afford to go to dentist and when them man come down, people man now, you know, and give them little money to go to dentist to brush them teeth. So if you can imagine how them teeth think and them out. Don't even talk about them and they go catchy. And every day them dress up in a tight shorts. You can imagine how down them molly like a carbine. You can imagine the amount of cottage cheese was stuck up in that cackaross. Them the people in a beard, you know. Me say, for you look at my skin. Them not beard. Them not you.